Hi everyone, here is Ricardo Vargas and welcome to the 5 Minutes Podcast. As project managers, we often find ourselves overwhelmed by complexity. Features piling up, meetings multiplying, and clarity just slipping away. That is why today I want to bring you something I learned recently, a set of principles created by Maeda that can help you to bring more focus, more flow, and more impact to your projects. And Maeda, one of the main quotes that he started his talk at South by Southwest, I was present there, was an absolutely brilliant and deep quote. He said simplicity is about subtracting the obvious and adding the meaningful. And it perfectly captures the challenge we face in project management, cutting through the noise to deliver what really matters. And today I will share with you quickly Maeda's 10 laws of simplicity that he put in a book and can guide us to lead simpler, smarter, and more effective projects. So let's go. Law 1 is reduce. In project terms, this means eliminating anything that doesn't directly contribute to values, features, reports, and even meetings. Focus on the minimum viable project. What must get done to move forward? The second law is organize. When tasks and information are structured clearly, whether through a Kanban board or a simple roadmap, teams move much faster and with more confidence. Law number 3 is time. Use short, fixed time frames like sprints or time box to bring urgency and avoid the illusion we traditionally have of endless time. The fourth law is learn. Every single retrospective, lessons learned session, or stakeholder feedback loop is a chance to improve and not just to deliver. Law 5 is differences. Understand that diverse thinking is critical, and these will help you to reduce blind spots and uncover creativity, risk smart solutions. This is something I will always remember in my professional life. When 10 people agree on something, probably you don't need 10 of them. You may need just one. So accept the differences because they will make you move forward. Law 6 is context. Always link tasks back to the bigger picture. Understand the contribution of a single work package or a single sprint in an agile project to the organization, to the user, to the beneficiary, and to the world. You need to understand the context of the work you are doing. Law 7 is emotion. Your team is not a machine. Remember that. You need to celebrate small wins, recognize effort, and maintain team morale through tough phases. Understand one thing, project is not easy, and it's not easy at all. So you need to understand that keeping your team with the positive emotion and positive direction is what will make your project to succeed. Law number 8 is trust. Involve your team early. Share imperfect drafts and build a culture where transparency beats perfectionism. Many times, people don't want to show imperfect things. They prefer to wait until they show something that is perfect. And many times, they lose a great opportunity to receive feedback and improve much faster. Law 9 is failure. In project work, setbacks are inevitable. What matters is how fast you turn failure into learning. Remember, if everything is too perfect, something is going wrong. And Law 10 is the one. And truly, define a single guiding principle for your project. Something everyone can rally behind when making decisions. And also, Maeda shared 3 keys to simplicity that I love them. The first is he called away. Hide complexity behind clean interface, templates, and defaults. The second is open. Make sure your dashboard documentation is accessible to everyone who needs clarity. Don't hide things. And the third is power. Don't confuse simple with weak. Simplicity often means more focus, more speed, and much better outcomes. Look, if this resonates with you, I really encourage you to visit John Maeda's website at lawsofsimplicity.com. It's full of insights that go far beyond what I said today and can be directly applied to our work as project managers. Look, I hope you enjoyed this episode and use these laws of simplicity in your work and in your projects right now. See you next week with another 5 Minutes podcast.